Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And guys, I have missed you so much, but I haven't been well all along, and I thought I just come and update you guys what was happening. Hope you're good and happy. When I'm recording this, it's when today is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. I hope I'm posting it today if it doesn't have problems. So guys, I've missed you so much. It's in the morning and I just came in. I already had my breakfast, and now I'm just gathering my water. I'm bound to finish that 1 liter in the morning, and the other 1 liter I will be finishing it off in the afternoon after lunch. So guys, I went away in April, yeah, but it started in February. The minute I received that SMS from the school that congratulations, you have completed your qualification, I jumped, guys. I jumped and I got excited. So I was just waiting for that SMS so that I can go ahead and start preparing for my graduations, knowing that when is the date. And actually, yes, I am going to graduate. So the preparations got me, the excitement got me also. It was just me going up and down looking for outfits. At the same time, there was a hell lot of work that got my back painful. So yeah, this is what I do every day. My screen is always black. At work, I use AutoCAD. That is a drafting software. I use that every single day. So graduations got my time. The workload was just too much, and one thing that I hate is to do a certain task that will take me a week. That I don't want. It strains my energy, it strains my back. I become weak. So I just stopped doing videos, and over the weekend, even laundry, it was so hard to do laundry, guys. So when I'm at work, I sometimes take a break. I do schedule my working time. I start working around 9 and take breaks in between. Sometimes I go to YouTube. I love YouTube too much. Then when I was just doing this, I saw a premiere from my fellow sister. There were 2 premieres going after each other, so I had to support my sisters. Even though I was not watching, I just put them on and listened to what they were saying. Yeah, the day was just going on. So back to the thing, it was just too much for me. The whole of April, my graduation was in May, the 5th of May, and it was around 6 o'clock in the afternoon. I was going up and down. I don't have time to go look for outfit. I hate waking up on Saturday and going to town to just go do shopping when I spent the whole day at the whole week in town. So I didn't have enough time, guys. Here I was just going to buy lunch. I didn't have time and it was just too much. Okay, I finally got my outfit 1 week before the graduations. Then it was so nice, guys. If I can tell you, if you want a story about how I came about graduating, just tell me. I'll do a sit down and break down everything. It was not easy. It was a roller coaster, guys. It took me years, but I finally said, this must be done. I have to finish and graduate. And finally I did it. So I hope you're good, and I hope you're still here. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. Welcome, and welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. I love you so much, and please be patient with me. I'm still gonna do videos, a lot of them. I went to Checkers to buy lunch. One thing that I like is I like buying things from Checkers. Even the fruits, I tried, guys. I tried different supermarket. I tried different stores, but my favorite right now is Checkers. I even told someone that the better shop is Checkers. I'm not advertising them, guys, but yeah, I love Checkers, and I didn't feel like eating anything heavy, and I didn't have appetite for a lot of things because I was already tired. My back is painful since I think I deserve to treat myself with a spa treatment so that I can at least have my blood circulation flowing. Yeah, I think I'm book myself some spa massages. Yeah, there I got some 2 bananas and some got some 2, they call them dinariki. Anyway, the general name for this thing is dinariki, but it was called tango. For my lunch, I just had 3 hamburger rolls, like as dry as they are, and I drank a Coke. I'm a fan of Coca-Cola, so I drank a Coke that day. Guys, how have you been? How have you been? It's winter, it's cold. I cannot make content because now I'm tired. If I drop a video, I will drop a video, but promising you to be consistent, guys, bear with me. I will come back as and when I gain my strength again. So I hope you are enjoying the video, and I hope you're still here. Please subscribe if you haven't. And I bought my daughter some fat cook with the chicken and mayo, because after school she gets hungry, and when we go home it will be late because she stays with me in the office until I knock off. The school gets out, they knock off at 3 o'clock, so we don't have transport like the school bus transport that will take her home. So I just stay with her here, and this one I'm going to cook in the afternoon because I need myself some quick meal. Guys, I look out for my health. When I'm tired, I don't want anything. I just want to see myself in bed. So I bought some wors for cooking in the afternoon. And because I haven't been on a camera for a long time in public, it still feels awkward. Like, it feels awkward when people are looking at you. But anyway, we move. No one is going to put bread on your table. If you don't stick to your plans, no one is going to help you but yourself. So moving right along, it's around 6 o'clock, and I'm gonna start by putting my wors in boil it with water. The reason why I'm doing that is because I reduce salt from this thing. The champion boerewors has got a lot of salt, and for me to control that, I boil it a bit, then remove the water, put it in some fried onions and tomatoes. You will see the process as I go on. Then I'm going to cook pap for dinner. You know, guys, sometimes I feel like these onions are made to attack our eyes. No, this time, this thing that makes us cry, is too much. No, whatever it is, it's too much. It's been put too much. If it's a man-made thing that makes us cry, it was too much. The reason I love cooking pap is because it is very fast to prepare. Very, very fast to prepare. The water boils. 2 minutes down the line, the pap is in the plate. And I love my pap, especially in the afternoon. And remember, during the day, I didn't eat enough. I had rolls which are dry and they won't even make me full. At the time when I was cooking this thing, I was so shaking because of hunger, and I don't like it. I don't like shaking. That is my number one. I don't like shaking because of hunger. I get frustrated. When I cook, there's a pattern that I use, especially when I'm using that wooden spoon to harden the pap. I make sure that I roll in the loose maize meal with that one so that it doesn't spill. If I spill, it won't be too much, but I make sure I roll until everything is stuck together so that I can pat it and make it smooth and it will be a little more nutty. I hope you still enjoy this video. Please subscribe and share if you can. If you can realize, a pap is ready and the wors is ready also. Just few minutes of blending in the wors and the gravy together. We are eating. It takes me 1 hour to prepare my meal every day, unless if I cook this and that. But pap and other things takes me an hour. Even these pots, I don't want to lie, they are very fast to cook the food that I want. I always wipe my pot. The excess pap that is protruding there on the brim, I always wipe it out. I need a clean pot. You won't even realize because my pot will be clean. But not that I will be denying people with food. I'm not stingy with food, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for everything. I will see you again in my next video. Bon appetit.